Hi everyone, I'm Miss Martin, and if you've been watching my past videos, you know that we've been focusing on finding the main idea of informational text. So finding what the text is all about, using evidence to support that main idea, and it's all within nonfiction text or text that uses facts. But a question that I've been getting is, what if I don't understand what I'm reading at all because the words are too long or they're too complicated? How am I supposed to find the main idea if I don't even understand what half the words are saying? So that's why today we're going to be working on how to figure out the meanings of words using context clues or using the sentences that surround the word that you don't know. So next time you have a test or a quiz or an assignment and you see a word that you don't know, don't freak out, just pause and use the method that I'm about to teach you. Because this is the good news. You don't need to already know the word. You just need to know how to figure it out with what they've given you. You don't have to guess. You don't have to memorize the whole dictionary. You just have to find the clues. First step is you're going to reread. I want you to reread the sentence before, the sentence after, and the sentence that has the word that you don't know. This is where the text starts doing the work for us. It usually explains what the word means and it tells us the answer. We just have to know where to look. Step 2, context clues. So look for examples, explanations, cause and effect. Look for antonyms or the opposite meaning of the word so you can trace backwards and find the meaning. Look for synonyms or words that have the same meaning as the one that you don't know and see which one of those can tell you what that word means. Step 3, you're going to replace the word that you don't know with each possible answer choice they give you. So that's what's great about these multiple choice questions that the OST or iReady or any similar exams have, is that they give you your answer options so you know it has to be one of those options. So take it and plug it in to the unknown spot and see if it makes sense or doesn't make sense. So you might not be able to eliminate all of them, but you might be able to get rid of a couple, which makes your odds of getting the answer right a lot better. So now let's practice a few examples on our own. Like all of my videos, I walk you through one with all the steps on the screen, and then we have a couple that you can practice on your own. So the main thing that you want to do for this is to pause the video, try to answer it yourself, and then play the video to see the result come on the screen so you can see if you were right or wrong. And as always, please leave a comment down below on how you did or any questions you still have. My final reminder to you is to remember, on context clue questions or vocabulary-based questions where you have a text to read, the answer is not just in your head. You don't need to know every word in the English language to get these answers right. All you need to know is to find it in the text. Know where to look, know how to find it, know how to eliminate those tricky options and find the true best answer. So if you got all of the questions right, or most of them, that is so awesome. I'm very proud of you. And if not, keep practicing. I recommend IXL because it will change the questions based on your level. So it will slowly get harder as you get better until you master the skill. And if you feel like you've already mastered this skill, but there's another one that's kind of tricky for you, please comment down below and ask what my next video should be about. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you next time.